Today we're doing top 5 websites for graphic designers. This can be really useful for video editors, graphic designers, and people that are in digital space like me. So yeah, let's get right into it. So first of all, we have WeTransfer. As you can see, this beautiful picture right here. Of course, we have WeTransfer.com. Here you can add your files up to 2 gigabytes. You can send up to 2 gigabytes to anyone, and this is really good just because you can send files such as graphic design, your graphic design work, and the files will not lose quality. And this is better than email. So yeah, that's because email compresses the files, and this is a really cool website that you can use to send your files and to send your projects. I've been using this for 1 year right now for video editing projects and graphic design projects, so it's really treating me well. And yeah, this is one that I recommend highly. The second website is Unsplash. Unsplash.com is actually a website where you can where you have stock photos, free stock photos that you can use for your graphic designs. You can type in the word, let's say mountains, and you will get all the stock photos. There are a bunch of stock photos right here that you can use for your designs. Really cool, useful website. I'm using this for my thumbnails a lot. So yeah, going to the third is Photopea. This is kind of like a Photoshop, kind of like a knockoff of Photoshop. And as you can see, new project, you can click on new project and you can actually have width, height. This is exactly like Photoshop, just on web. And I really highly suggest this for anyone who wants a free Photoshop alternative. And yeah, I can make a video about this because this is like a Photoshop alternative. So I will make a video soon about this. Going to number 4, number 4 is Adobe Color CC. This is actually Adobe Cooler. I think it's Cooler. Anyways, this is basically where you can find your all colors for your design. So let's go to Explore. And right here you can find color palettes for your design. As you can see, let me just go to this. You can edit copy. And now you have here hexacodes that you can use in your designs. If you don't know what a hexacodes is, then you're not really a graphic designer, because a lot of people, if you're coming to this video, if you're not graphic designer, these are basically the codes for the color that you can use in Photoshop, and later on you can use this color on your designs as well. Going on to the last spot is digitalartsonline.co.uk/tutorials. This is basically a website where you can find tutorials, but not in a video, not something like I do, but in a kind of article way. So as you can see, there are a bunch of articles here that you can create. Let's say here, Adobe Illustrator tutorial, how to draw a mandala, whatever that is, you can click and see what that is. Again, Photoshop tutorial, how to master the curvature pen tool. You can see how to master it. You can click on it. Let me just click on it, and again, here is a bunch of articles and images that you can see right now that you can follow along. Step 4, you have steps. This is really good for graphic designers to learn from, and for people who want to learn something new. There isn't always on YouTube. Everything isn't always on YouTube, so you can just go here and check this out. So Photoshop tutorial, turn a photo into 16-bit pixel art. So this is basically my one really good website that I go to for tutorial ideas. And yeah, this has been it, guys. WeTransfer.com, we have Unsplash, we have Photopea, we have Adobe Color CC, we have Digital Arts. Every link is down in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video, something a little bit different to the channel. And yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.